On behalf of the mighty Matador NJRTC, good day. Will you please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance, Texas Pledge, and a moment of silence. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Yo prometo lealtad a la bandera de los Estados Unidos de América y a la república que representa una nación bajo Dios entera con libertad y justicia para todos.
Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Honra la bandera de Texas. Prometo lealtad a ti, Texas, un estado bajo Dios único e indivisible.
Carry colors. Ready, cut. Left turn.
What's up, Matadors? Today is Tuesday, January 13th, 2026. I'm Jaiden Montanez.
And I'm Izaiah Lozano.
Our art students created a work of art over the weekend at a local art show. We'll show you what and what they worked on.
Plus, if you like snapbacks, our athletic department has some new merch just for you. All that and more.
So stay tuned because MatCast starts right now. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of MatCast.
We are your go-to spot for all things Matador Nation, so let's get started. We want to congratulate a couple of Matadors who competed at the Universal Technical Institute Auto Mechanics competition and dominated. Congratulations to Wesley Combs, who placed first, and Belladonna Garcia, who placed second at the competition. Both walked away from the competition with grants they can use for their post-high school education. Wesley and Bella represented Matador Nation proudly and exemplary. How a hands-on career and technical education can prepare you for real-world success.
Over the weekend, some of our very own art students participated in the Unframed Lions Den art show. On Saturday, Miss Bernardin and her students painted a triptych, which is a 3-panel painting frequently hinged together like a book, allowing the side to fold in. Her classes will continue to work on and edit the piece and ultimately put up for a silent auction in the springtime to raise funds back into the art program. Miss Bernardin and her students started with a simple sketch and idea of people working together and collaborating on art. It was a great experience for her students, and we can't wait to see the final product later this semester.
Our Grupo Focolico de Seguin High School is now offering their springtime merch. You can go to the bit.ly/Focolico merch spring 26 to get your shirt. Prices range from $13 to $16. All proceeds help continue building our amazing Focolico program. We hope you all can support them. So order soon, and don't forget to go out and support our Focolico at their next spring performance wearing your new merch.
And speaking of merch, our Matador track team has new gear and merch available now. Support your Matador track team by using the bit.ly link on your screen now. Every purchase helps our athletes throughout the season. But don't wait, because the store closes in just 12 days. Shop now and show your Matador pride.
Do you like taking it back old school? Where our athletic department has you covered, literally. These are our new snapback caps with the Texas flag in gold, black, and white under the brim. They are only $35 and can be purchased in the athletic office. There's no pre-order required and they are ready to go. So grab your retro snapback today.
Are you a sophomore or junior looking to expand your horizons? GVEC is looking for youth in the Seguin community to take an all-expense paid 1-week trip to Washington, D.C. GVEC is sponsoring local students to attend the Government in Action Youth Tour. If you are chosen, it's an all-expense paid tour of Washington, D.C. Plus, attendee will get 2,500 scholarship seats aside for the senior year to go toward any college or trade school of your choice. The trip takes you around Washington, D.C. to museums, memorials, the U.S. Capitol, and the Supreme Court. Deadlines to sign up is January 15th, so don't forget. If you are a sophomore or junior and want to be a part of this amazing experience, visit the GVEC website, youthtour.com, to apply.
Are you a senior that needs scholarship opportunities? Well, you're in luck. GVEC has something for you too. Scholarships are awarded each year to graduating high school seniors who want to continue their education at college or trade school. Scholarships are for $2,500 and awarded in 2 disbursements, $1,250 for the fall semester and $1,250 for the spring semester at the recipient's school of choice. Scan the QR code on your screen for more information. This is a great opportunity for all our seniors to apply for, so don't wait until the last minute.
Attention students, if you would like to get involved with playing music for your softball and baseball games, then listen up. If you would like to help our Matador radio team run the soundboard for our home games, go by room D106 with Mr. Cantu. You will be trained on how to use the systems in place and may have an opportunity to announce as well. This is a great opportunity for anyone interested in sports broadcasting to get a behind-the-scenes look and experience. Those are all the announcements for today.
Reported to you from Matt Cave and Delta House, I'm Izaiah Lozano.
And I'm Jaiden Montanez. Let's keep this year strong, let's stay focused, stay positive, and keep pushing forward because the future is now.